Welcome to Beyond Boundaries, where we confront the most pressing challenges facing our planet. Today, we're delving into the critical issue of water scarcity, a silent threat that could reshape the world as we know it. From the arid landscapes of the Sahara to the bustling cities of the modern world, access to fresh water is fundamental to life itself. Let's dive into the depths of this global crisis and examine the solutions to ensure water security for future generations. Water, the elixir of life, is fundamental to our very existence. Every cell in our bodies, every beat of our hearts relies on this precious resource. Yet for millions around the world, access to clean, safe water is a distant dream. Dehydration, a silent predator, stalks those living in water-scarce regions. It saps energy, impairs cognitive function, and in extreme cases can lead to organ failure and death. But the threats don't end there. Waterborne diseases carried in contaminated water sources are a scourge on vulnerable communities. Cholera, typhoid fever, and dysentery spread like wildfire, leaving a trail of suffering and death in their wake. Malnutrition, another consequence of water scarcity, further weakens the body's defenses, making children particularly susceptible to disease and stunting their growth. The human cost of water scarcity is a stark reminder of the delicate balance we depend upon. Imagine a mother forced to watch her child suffer from a preventable disease due to lack of clean water. Imagine the despair of farmers watching their crops wither and die, their livelihoods vanishing with the receding water tables. These are not mere hypotheticals. They are the harsh realities faced by countless individuals across the globe. The World Health Organization estimates that over 2 billion people lack access to safely managed drinking water, and the situation is only projected to worsen as climate change tightens its grip. The urgency to address this crisis cannot be overstated. From the vast fields of wheat to the lush rice paddies, agriculture is the backbone of our global food system. Yet this vital industry is intricately linked to a finite resource, water. As water scarcity intensifies, its impact on agriculture becomes increasingly dire. Crop failure, once a localized concern, is now a global threat, pushing millions into the clutches of food insecurity. Imagine a world where supermarket shelves are bare, where the price of basic staples skyrockets beyond the reach of the average family. This is the bleak reality that water scarcity threatens to unleash. The agricultural sector accounts for approximately 70% of global freshwater withdrawals, and as water resources dwindle, competition for this precious resource intensifies. Farmers, the stewards of our food supply, are on the front lines of this crisis. They face agonizing decisions, forced to choose between irrigating their crops and providing drinking water for their families. The consequences of these choices are far-reaching, impacting global food prices and exacerbating existing inequalities. The crisis in agriculture extends beyond crop production. Livestock, a vital source of protein and income for many communities, also suffer the consequences of water scarcity. Reduced water availability leads to decreased pasture land, forcing herders to migrate in search of grazing land for their animals. This mass movement of livestock can lead to overgrazing, further degrading fragile ecosystems and exacerbating tensions between communities. Our planet, a tapestry of interconnected ecosystems, is facing an unprecedented crisis of biodiversity loss. From the lush rainforests to the arid deserts, freshwater ecosystems are among the most threatened on Earth. As rivers run dry and lakes shrink, the delicate balance of these ecosystems is disrupted, leading to a cascade of consequences for wildlife and humans alike. Imagine a once thriving river, teeming with life, now reduced to a trickle, its banks littered with the carcasses of fish that once swam its waters. This is the grim reality of ecological collapse driven by water scarcity. Wetlands, often referred to as the kidneys of the Earth, act as natural filters, purifying water and providing habitat for a vast array of species. Yet these vital ecosystems are disappearing at an alarming rate. drained for agriculture, development, and other human activities. As freshwater sources dwindle, competition for this precious resource intensifies. Wildlife populations are forced into closer proximity, increasing the risk of disease transmission and conflict over dwindling resources. The iconic African elephant, for example, requires vast quantities of water daily, and as water sources become scarce, they are forced to compete with humans and other animals for survival. The loss of biodiversity extends beyond the charismatic megafauna. Invertebrates, plants, and microorganisms, often overlooked but essential components of healthy ecosystems, are also impacted by water scarcity. These organisms play vital roles in nutrient cycling, water purification, and food webs, and their loss can have cascading effects throughout the ecosystem. Water, once a symbol of life and prosperity, is increasingly becoming a source of conflict and instability. As water scarcity intensifies, it has the potential to ignite tensions between communities, regions, and even nations, leading to economic disruption and social unrest. Imagine a world where water becomes a commodity more precious than oil, where nations go to war over control of rivers and aquifers. This is not a scene from a dystopian novel. It is a very real threat that we face in a world grappling with water scarcity. History is replete with examples of water conflicts. The Nile River, a lifeline for 11 countries, has been a source of tension for decades. The Jordan River, shared by Israel, Jordan, and Palestine, has been at the heart of conflict and negotiations for generations. As water becomes scarcer, these tensions are only likely to escalate. The economic implications of water scarcity are equally profound. Industries that rely heavily on water, such as agriculture, manufacturing, and energy production, face significant challenges as water becomes more expensive and difficult to obtain. This can lead to job losses, factory closures, and economic decline, further exacerbating social inequalities and fueling unrest. The challenges posed by water scarcity are daunting, but they are not insurmountable. Human ingenuity, driven by the urgency of the crisis, is giving rise to innovative solutions that offer hope for a more water-secure future. From the sprawling desalination plants of the Middle East to the simple rainwater harvesting systems employed in rural communities, technology is playing a crucial role in mitigating water scarcity. Desalination, the process of removing salt from seawater to create fresh water, is becoming an increasingly important technology for coastal regions facing water stress. Massive desalination plants, capable of producing millions of gallons of fresh water per day, are now operational in countries like Saudi Arabia, Israel, and the United Arab Emirates. While desalination offers a promising solution, it is energy-intensive and can have environmental impacts, such as brine discharge, which must be carefully managed. Water recycling, another promising technology, involves treating wastewater to remove contaminants, making it safe for reuse in agriculture, industry, and even for drinking. Singapore, a nation that faces severe water constraints, has been a pioneer in water recycling, treating and reusing wastewater to meet up to 40% of its water needs. Rainwater harvesting, an ancient practice that is gaining renewed attention, involves collecting and storing rainwater for later use. From simple rooftop systems that collect rainwater in barrels to more sophisticated underground systems, rainwater harvesting can provide a sustainable source of water for households, agriculture, and industry. Addressing the global water crisis requires more than technological innovation. It demands a fundamental shift in how we manage and govern this precious resource. Water knows no political boundaries. It flows across borders, connecting communities and ecosystems. Yet our current systems of water governance often fail to reflect this interconnectedness, leading to competition, conflict, and unsustainable water use. Effective water management requires a holistic approach that considers the needs of all stakeholders, from upstream communities to downstream cities, from the environment to the economy. This requires strong institutions, transparent governance, and a commitment to international cooperation. Water rights, a complex and often contentious issue, lie at the heart of many water conflicts. Establishing clear and equitable water rights frameworks is essential for ensuring that all users have access to this vital resource while protecting the environment. International cooperation is paramount in addressing transboundary water issues. Rivers, lakes, and aquifers often cross political boundaries, requiring collaboration between nations to ensure sustainable water management. The Nile Basin Initiative, which brings together 11 countries that share the Nile River, is an example of such cooperation, albeit one that faces significant challenges. In the face of water scarcity, communities around the world are demonstrating remarkable resilience and ingenuity, adapting to their changing environments and finding innovative ways to conserve and manage their precious water resources. From the arid plains of Africa to the crowded cities of Asia, communities are taking ownership of their water future. Water conservation, once viewed as a matter of individual responsibility, is now being embraced at the community level. Villages are reviving ancient water harvesting techniques, collecting rainwater in communal tanks, and using it to irrigate crops and provide drinking water for livestock. Cities are implementing water-wise landscaping, replacing thirsty lawns with drought-tolerant plants, and promoting water-efficient appliances. Community empowerment is essential for sustainable water management. When communities have a voice in how water resources are managed, they are more likely to adopt sustainable practices and to hold decision-makers accountable. Indigenous knowledge, often passed down through generations, holds valuable insights into sustainable water management practices. In many parts of the world, indigenous communities have been living in harmony with their environments for centuries, developing a deep understanding of the delicate balance of nature and the importance of water conservation. The looming threat of water scarcity demands urgent action and collective efforts to ensure a sustainable future for all. From technological innovations to policy reforms, from community-driven initiatives to international cooperation, there are numerous pathways to building a more water-secure world. If you found this exploration thought-provoking, please like, comment, and subscribe for more impactful content. Your engagement helps to raise awareness about this pressing issue and inspires action. Join us as we work together to confront the challenges of water scarcity and build a more resilient and water-secure world.